Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will teach you how to work with small bobo balloons. These are balloons measuring 8 and 10 inches. I will tell you about the technique of working with small balloons. So let's get started. The small bobo balls should be stretched very well. First, the balls are stretched along the seam. It is necessary to stretch the seam every 2 centimeters. Then you should carefully stretch the balloon vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. There are cases when small bobo balloons cannot be inflated by an air generator because the power of a conventional generator is not enough. It is for this that the balloon must be stretched very well. But if you stretch the bobo balloon well, you will be able to inflate it not only with an air generator, but also with a hand pump. Look at how much I stretch Bobo's balloon. It is not always possible to stretch the balloon evenly, and perhaps, when inflating the balloon, it has an irregular shape, but I will show you how to fix it. After stretching, the balloon becomes soft and its edges are wavy. As I said, after the balloon has been properly stretched, you can inflate it with a hand pump or using an air generator. I'll use the air generator. When inflating, it is very important not to inflate the balloon beyond its factory size. Look, the balloon is perfectly inflated, the seam is in the middle, but the shape of the balloon is not perfect. It seems that part of the seam is not stretched, and therefore the balloon is curved. I blow off the balloon, take this part of the seam and stretch it additionally. Now I inflate the balloon again and see if its shape suits me. If I also don't like the shape of the balloon, I use the second balloon alignment method. I completely blow off the balloon and remove all the air from it. Then I inflate it again and blow it off again. Look carefully at the video. The balloon will change its shape and become perfect. So, please take a look. The shape of the balloon has become perfect. You can continue working with it. Now I'm going to show you how to put a small toy in a balloon. I use a 12 centimeters long, soft keychain toy. I cut off part of the balloon's neck and left the neck for about 2 fingers. I put 2 index fingers inside. Please note that the seam of the balloon should be along the fingers, not between them. I stretch the neck a little, and now I put 2 fingers of each hand inside. The neck of the bobo balloon has stretched enough, and now I can put a toy in it. Previously, I fixed the toy on the fishing line. I stretch the neck and put the toy inside. The neck of the balloon is perfectly stretched, and it is not difficult to do this. The toy is inside the bobo balloon. I hold the fishing line outside. Now I will fill the balloon with 3 small balloons. I use 5-inch latex balloons. I put them inside Bobo's balloon with a stick and inflate a little. I tie the balloons very close to the base so that they don't lose their shape. So, there is very little space in the balloon. I put third balloon inside, add a little air to the balloon bobo and inflate the latex balloon already inside the inflated bobo balloon. Do not forget that you need to hold the fishing line outside. When the balloon is inflated, I hold the fishing line, twist the bobo balloon several times and fix it with a balloon for modeling. Look at what a cute ball with a toy inside turned out to be. And now, to ensure that the air does not come out of the balloon, I pull out the tail of bobo balloon and make a knot. Now I cut off the tail of Bobo's balloon and start decorating. I use a 3-meter LED strip, wrap, a balloon with LED tape, fix everything in great detail. I showed it in the video, please take a look. I'm going to place the balloon on a transparent plastic cup filled with sweets. I slide the power supply through the lid of a plastic cup and use a hot glue gun to glue it to the bottom of the cup. Now I put in a plastic cup an LED string mixed with sweets. To keep the balloon securely, I glue it with a hot glue gun to the lid of the cup. I put on the lid and start decorating the cup with a balloon with a beautiful satin ribbon. Everything is very detailed. I showed it in the video, please take a look. Please note that I fixed the ribbon to the balloon with a hot glue gun. At the bottom, under the plastic cup, I twist the ribbons and make sure to glue them to the bottom of the cup. I glue the ribbons to the bottom of the cup from all four sides. The final touch and the composition is ready. The gift turned out to be very nice. The composition is durable. Your customers will be ready. Thank you for watching us.